Podcast.
You are watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and shares trading signals from expert. I'm Yu Chong. First, the US dollar. The dollar fell on Thursday despite the release of better than expected data and increased risk aversion from the rising tensions in Ukraine. The greenback ended at 1.3710 to the euro and 102.09 to the yen. Today's data includes fourth quarter GDP, Michigan sentiment, Chicago manufacturing PMI, and pending home sales in January. Next, to the euro. The euro rose on Thursday following publication of higher than expected sentiment data. The single currency ended at 1.3710 to the dollar and 139.99 to the yen. Today's data includes core Eurozone CPI in February, which is expected to remain unchanged at 0.8%, and the unemployment rate, which is forecast to come out at 12%. British pound. Sterling fell on Thursday after lack of data meant it was more subject to the impact of news affecting other currencies, with strong data supporting the euro and the yen rising as a result of safety flows. The pound ended at 1.6687 to the dollar and 0.8208 to the euro. Today's data includes nationwide house prices in February, which is expected to show a 9% rise year-on-year. Japanese yen. The yen rose after geopolitical upheaval in the Ukraine led to a spike in safety flows. The Japanese currency ended at 102.09 to the dollar and 170.40 to the pound. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.3675 with targets at 1.3725 and 1.3755 in extension. Below 1.3675, which will look for further downside with 1.364 and 1.36 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.6064 with targets at 1.67 and 1.6725 in extension. Below 1.6064, which will look for further downside with 1.6061 and 1.65 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 102.2 with targets at 101.5 and 101.35 in extension. Above 102.2, which will look for further upside with 102.4 and 102.6 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in on Monday for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and you'll be watching Markets for You. Have a great weekend.